Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve this math Olympiad problem. Solve 3 to the s equal s to the 9 in real number system. Alright, so first we need to take natural log both sides. So we have natural log of 3 to the s equal natural log of s to the 9. Alright, and then we know the formula. Natural log of a to the alpha equal alpha natural log of a. So keep this in mind. Alright, so we have s, bring s to the front. So it's going to be s natural log of 3 equal, this is and then bring this to the front. 9 natural log of s. Natural log of s over s is going to be equal natural log of 3 over 9. And then on the right hand side, I just multiply the top and bottom by 3. Alright, so it turns out to be natural log of s over s equal, this one you can print it over here. So it turns out to natural log of 27 over 9 times 3 is going to be 27. Alright, so right here you can conclude that s equals 7 is one solution. But if you stop right here, that's not the final answer, because we have another solution. Alright, so let's take a look at y equal natural log of s over s. Alright, so we check the derivative of this one. So y prime equal natural log of s, it could be 1 over s times s right here, minus derivative of this one times this one is going to be natural log of s over s squared. So it turns out to be 1 minus natural log of s over s squared. Alright, so let's derivative equal 0 to find the critical point. So it turns out to be 1 minus natural log of s equal 0. And then natural log of s equal 1. S should be equal e. Alright, now note that natural log of s over s right here defined when s must be greater than 0. So keep that in mind. Alright, so I have this one, so I sketch the table. Alright, so I have s right here, y prime and y. Alright, so s is going to be, because s greater than 0, so it's start from 0, the critical point is going to be e, and this is positive infinity. Alright, right at critical point, y prime equals 0. Alright, now I need to check from 0 to e to see if it's positive or negative. Alright, so I take a look at this one right here. From 0 to e. Right, I check to see if y prime positive or negative. So y prime is going to be this one right here. Alright, so I let y prime greater than 0. It turns out to be 1 minus natural log of s greater than 0. Natural log of s less than 1. Turns out to be s less than e. Right, so you look at this one from 0 to e. S less than e. And then y prime must be greater than 0, so this should be positive. And you do the same process, this should be negative. So the graphs increasing in this interval and decreasing in this interval. Now you look at this one, the right hand side of this guy right here is going to be constant. Alright, so it should be the horizontal line. So it should be something like this. Right, you're going to find one solution right here. This is 27. Now we have another solution right here. We need to find it. So we need to use the Lambert W function to find this solution right here. So how do we do it? We need to write, this guy. We need to turn this guy into this form right here. Alright, so how do we do it? So let's start right here. So I start from here. It's right here. Natural log of s over s equal natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so it turns out to be natural log of s equal s natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so s must be equal e to the s natural log of 3 over 9. Because we need, look at, we need this form. We have e to the alpha. Now alpha is going to be s natural log of 3 over 9. So we need s natural log of 3 over 9 in front of this one. We will apply this formula. Alright, next one, we divide both sides by this guy. Alright, so it turned out to be s over e to the s natural log of 3 over 9 equal 1. This is going to be s times e to the s natural log of 3 over 9 equal 1. Alright, so we see that this is we have negative s, but if we have s right here, we need this one must be negative s too. So we multiply both sides by negative 1. So it turns out to be negative s times e to the negative s natural log of 3 over 9 equal negative 1. And then next, now, we observe that we have the whole stuff right here. This is alpha. Alright, so we need to get this one to be an alpha. Okay, so basically we need natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so we multiply both sides by natural log of 3 over 9. So it turns out to be s times natural log of 3 over 9 times e to the negative s times natural log of 3 over 9 equal negative 1 times natural log of 3 over 9 is going to be negative natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so we look at the left hand side. This is exactly this form right here. So we're going to take Lambert W's both sides. Alright, so we have W of this guy. And then it turns out to be W of this guy. Alright, now W of this guy, it turned out to be alpha. So alpha in this situation is going to be negative s natural log of 3 over 9 equal W of negative natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so we're going to divide both sides by natural log of 3 over 9. So it turns out to be s equal W of natural log of 3 over 9 times 9 over natural log of 3. And then you multiply both sides by negative 1. So it will be s equal negative 9 over natural log of 3 W of negative natural log of 3 over 9. Alright, so we're gonna use Wolfram alpha. Alright, so we put this one on Wolfram alpha, we get the solution. It should be 1.15. Alright, so the answer must be equal 1.15 something. Alright, so this is second solution. And the first solution is going to be s equal 27. And it's a good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in